Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. We continue working on our KTM 300 build. Today we're gonna play with a swing arm, and in this video we will replace bottom shock bearing. So stick around. If you are new to this channel and you love dirt bikes, hit the button below and jump on the board. I think you will like it here. I didn't want to buy any special tool to do this job. I'm just gonna use whatever I have in my shop, you know, different side of socket and some long ball and stuff like that. And I should be able to push this thing out and press it back in and install the seals and everything. My rooster is going crazy. Take these out. On the other side as well. Good morning. Okay, there's one bearing, one seal. Bearing is in there, full of some kind of stuff. Second one. All right. Let me explain what's going on over here. This is my improvising how to press that bearing out. So as you can see, this is a really big socket. This is a small socket that sits on the bearing, and this is just a little spacer because this big socket is sitting on the frame right here. There was a gap on the top, so I just put this in here to, you know, to bridge the gap. And then I put a long bolt through it, put the two nuts, lock them to each other, and then put one out here. And all I'm doing is just to hold this one and slowly press the other one out. Again, there are special tools. I think it's like 50 or 70 bucks. I saw it online, but this is going to do the same job. You don't do this every day. Just do a little improvising and you're good to go. Alright, feel like it's out. There you go. So this is what I did, you see? Two nuts together with the washer, big socket, small socket that push on the bearing, another washer here and a nut. Now I'm gonna use the same stuff to press new bearing in. It's an old guy. And I want to show you this. See how it sits on the bearing? You can still move this, so it's not pushing on this part. That's very important. When you're using something like that, you want your socket to push only on the outside bearing ring, not on the inner part. Never on the inner part. So there you go. Gonna heat it up, let it expand a little bit. Bearing was sitting in a freezer. Should go right in. Alright, so we're gonna get this. Let me put my gloves back on. Everything is hot. Okay, it is straight because the washer on the other side is not very big and it slid a little bit, but now it's going nice and straight. So make sure when you do that you're actually going in straight. If not, then take it back out and play with it more. Now this bearing, when we drive it in, has to be exactly in the middle of this part, so then you can put your seals from the other side and everything. So we're gonna do it, eyeball it, and then measure it, make sure that we are exactly in the middle. Alright, I think it'd be good to check the measurements now. Yeah, we need to go more. My rooster's going nuts, I don't know why. It's afternoon. It's actually Sunday afternoon. Check it out now. Just gotta make sure that it's in the middle. It's not too hard. That looked pretty good. Alright my friends, so now just measure it, make sure that it's exactly in the middle. If not, I can move it a little bit, put your seals in, and you're pretty much ready to go. We're gonna put the seal in. I'll put a little bit of grease inside and out, and then put it here. And using this big washer, we're gonna press it in. This is a dust seal. We're gonna use the same bolt. I'll put two big washers on each side. That will help to press this seal exactly where it's supposed to be, flush with the swing arm. There you go. Now the seals are inside. They're nice and straight with the body of the of the swing arm. You just need to install these little things. One, two, and we are good to go. Alright my friends, well that's about it for this video. This is how I install it. You know, I do a little improvisation, but this is usually how guys do jobs like this. You don't need to buy expensive tools to do that. Okay guys, well let me know below in the comments what you think about this video, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.